How to change default browser on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to set a different browser, for example, Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser as a default browser on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your app store and download the specific browser that you want to set as the default browser. Here you can see I have downloaded Google Chrome. So once you have downloaded that, you're gonna head over to your phone settings. So once you're in settings, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on apps. And then here you're gonna select the browser that you wish to make the default browser. Now here you can see that I've downloaded Chrome, so I'm gonna click on Chrome. And here you're gonna click on default browser app. Here you'll be able to see all of the browsers you have on your device, and right now I have the default browser set on Safari. So if you wish to change the default browser to Chrome, you can simply click on it, and once you do so, it will say Chrome will be used to open links and browse the web. If you have multiple browser apps, you can change the default. So when you see a tick icon over here right next to the specific browser, that means that one is the default browser. So that is basically how you can change default browser on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.